And we're standing here in a production brewery on the college campus. It is attached to a lab, and the lab is in support of the classes that are taught as part of the brewing and distilling program. The brewing facility is a 7.5 barrel brew house. It produced College Heights Ale, which was sold locally. That was a beer made by students at Western. The brewery has been here for about 2 years and has been in place and has been a great help to our students in learning to brew beer on a production scale and to help them get into the industry. So we have about 25 or so students in the program. 2 students work here at a time, and one head of brewery here who is a former student, a graduate. This has been a big help for our students in terms of them getting the hands-on experience to be able to go out into the industry and to have on their resume that they actually worked in a production facility.